Hi guys, today we're going to learn how do honeybees make honey. Number 1. Honeybees collect nectar from flowers with their tongues and store it in their honey stomachs. Number 2. The bees fly back to the hive and pass the nectar to another bee using their mouths. Number 3. This bee makes spit bubbles with the nectar until it turns into honey, which is then stored in wax cells. Number 4. The bees seal the honey in each cell with a wax lid on top to keep it fresh. And a warm hive is the perfect place to make honey. Bees flap their wings to keep air flowing through the hive, keeping the colony dry. Okay, here's a fun fact. 1 in 3 mouthfuls of food that you eat has been made thanks to pollinators such as bees. Oh my God, I didn't know they make food as well. Wow. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like and comment and share. And goodbye.